Hey guys, what's going on? So I have an old 89 C-Ray right here, and I'm adding some parking lights onto the trailer because the ones that were on there were burnt out. They weren't working good, really old and cruddy. So I figured I'd shoot a video to kind of show you how I'm tapping into the circuit and putting some new lights on an old easy loader trailer for my C-Ray. So what I'm going to do is I have a rectangular light right here, the amber light that I picked up at Walmart, and the white is ground, black is the wire to illuminate the power wire to illuminate the lens. So what I'm going to do is the brown is only, this is a 4-circuit trailer wiring system. The green is turn signals, brake lights on the right, and the brown on both sides is going to be like your parking light illumination. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this wire. We're going to cut the wire. And we can use a butt connector with a heat shrink on it. It's going to make a nice connection with this. Strip off the end on that side. Same here. Strip off some of the insulation on this side. So on the light, what we're going to do is we're going to take the two wires, a little trick for you, kind of wrap them around one another. Just like that. Then what you're going to do is I'm going to take my butt connector, I'm gonna put that into place. I'm gonna crimp it. Like that. Make sure it's on there good. Give the wires a little tug. Make sure nothing's coming out of there. Sometimes I like to go around and crimp the other side too. Then you're going to take the wire, other half of the wire, plug it in. Make sure it's all the way into that metal part inside the butt connector. And you're going to crimp that as well. Give it a pull, make sure it's in there tight. And do one more. So make sure you don't light it on fire or burn your fingers, because that won't be good. Just want to make sure that you see it shrink down around the wire. You don't want to overheat it, because you don't want to, heat up the wire too badly. And make sure you get the bottom of it. You can do this with the flameless heat shrink gun too. This one has a flame on it. You just got to be careful. We've got a ground wire right here. So on the ground wire, I'm just going to get my ground from the piece of metal sticking over here. That's grounded to the trailer. The highway or on the back road that you're in tow. Just makes the trailer easier to see at night. People are nuts on the road as it is. The more away you can make somebody that you're actually towing something, the better off you'll be. On this particular light, it's an 11mm screw. You don't want to crank down on it, just tighten it up. Okay, so I just started up the truck. It's illuminated. So on the back side right here, I zip tied everything with a zip tie. Would have preferred a black zip tie, but that's all I had in my toolbox. And everything's nice and neat. The heat shrink butt connector is on there really well. It'll keep the water out of there. And it's a lot better than one of those Scotch connectors, one of the plastic ones with a lip over it. This is a better way of doing it. Just a quick down and dirty video for you guys. Just wanted to show you a quick way to add a clearance light on your boat trailer. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I just bought this boat. We're going to be doing a ton of stuff to it. Yeah, little projects like this. I think you guys are going to enjoy it, so stay tuned. There will be more. Thanks for watching.